Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Embassy Pool Co. Fiesta Key 15-foot by 52-inch steel frame pool kit. Take in the summertime, sun splashing, and playing in the Embassy Pool Co. Fiesta Key 15-foot steel frame pool. This outdoor pool is a perfect fit for almost any backyard, built with heavy-duty construction and providing plenty of space for you and your family to enjoy. The steel top rails are made of 20-gauge steel, ensuring increased life and performance of your pool, while the staggered bolt wall closure provides maximum strength and wall stability. With the sturdy design, you'll be able to enjoy pool time year after year. Product benefits: features heavy copper-bearing walls and steel frame. Staggered bolt wall closure provides maximum strength and overall wall stability. Includes Embassy 3000 overlap pool liner, 16-inch sand filter and 1.5 horsepower pump combo, A-frame ladder, and thru-wall skimmer. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.